Okay, so now I'm going to show you another way to figure out the equation from a table if you are given answer choices. So let's say that you blank and you forget how to find the slope and how to find the y-intercept. So if I forget how to do that, then I can use my answer choices. So if you remember, this is my x values and these are my y values. So let's look at choice A. It says y equals 2x plus 1.5. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to substitute. First, I'm just going to look at this. I'm going to substitute in my x, my value of x for x, and then add 1.5. So it'll look like this. My first value of x is 0. So I'm going to have 2 times 0. Remember when we substitute, we put it in parentheses, plus 1.5. And I'm going to see what I get. I'm going to use my calculator, and I'm going to put that in. So I'm going to do 2 times 0, and then plus 1.5, and I get 1.5. Now, did this answer give me my y? No, it didn't. So that means that A cannot be my answer. Okay, so let's look at y. Negative 1.5x. I'm going to take negative 1.5, substitute it in with my x, and then minus 2. So now I'm going to use my calculator. I'm going to do negative 1.5 times 0, and you should know that anything times 0 is 0, minus 2, and I get negative 2. Did that give me 2? No, it did not, so that cannot be my answer. Okay, I'm going to try the next one, 2x minus 1.5. So I'm going to start with the 2, and instead of x, I'm going to use 0 for my x value, and then minus 1.5. So once again, 2 times 0 is 0. 0 minus 1.5 is negative 1.5. That should have given me 2, and it did not, so C cannot be my answer. Now let's just check to see if D gives us 2 when we substitute it in. So we've got negative 1.5 times 0, and then plus 2. So once again, anything times 0 is 0, and then 0 plus 2 equals 2. Yes, that one gave me the y value of 2, so D would be my answer. So if you forget how to find slope and y-intercept from a table, and you have the equations for your answer choices, you can substitute in values for x in the equation and see if you get that value for y.